You will never know the power of yourself until someone hurts you badly. The person who irritates you is the one who loves you the most, but fails to express it. The girl who is still a kid by heart, she will never break your heart. It doesn't matter who hurt you, or broke you down, what matters is who made you smile again. No matter what how far pushes you down, no matter how much you hurt, you can always bounce back. God's plan is always the best. Sometimes the process is painful and hard. But don't forget that when God is silent, He is doing something for you. When girl take care of a boy think it's love but it's friendship. When a boy take care of a girl think it's friendship but it's love. Men in their early 20s feel more emotional pain after breakup than women. Don't argue through text messages, because the lack of tone decreases the meaning of the words. Your mother is the only person in the world who doesn't have time to pray for herself because she's always busy praying for you. Love your mother, the most beautiful person on this earth. Our best critic, yet our stronger supporter. Always love your mother because you will never get another. If somebody hurts you, it's okay to cry a river, just remember to build a bridge and get over it. No matter how old get, always want my mom. When I don't feel good. If you have a soft heart, then you can end up hurting the most. So when you have a soft heart, you must protect it and be strong when needed. Forget what hurt you in the past, but never forget what it taught you. It hurts the most when the person who made you feel so special yesterday makes you feel so unwanted today. The more you show your true feelings, the more people find ways to hurt you.